mate. What are we doing today, Liam?
So we are taking off everything in the rear so that we can set up to put our hydro brake set on. So we need to take all this off so we can get to this hub here so that Jason can weld on a bracket so that the second caliper can be ran for the hydro brake. So we gotta remove all this shit.
This is the hub. I'm gonna take this, and all of this stuff. Take all that off. Fuck yeah, let's do it. First, I'm gonna take this one off. Come on, man, what are you doing, man? Come on, man, what are you doing, man? Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, I think I need a breaker bar. There's a wheel. There's a wheel. It says here. Just using the correct hammer. I got it. Guys, I just cracked it. It was really tight.
Good job, bro.
Two-hander method, ladies love it. Question mark. There we go. Sheesh. These brake pads aren't too bad. So, we obviously do not have all the correct tools. Right?
2,000 years later.
Alright. I have no idea if you can see this, but I'm doing the thing. Oh my god. Got Liam doing all the hard work because he fucking made me come today. Made me come, bro. Oh, it's fucking hot from the friction. ASMR. But I'm zesty as fuck. Oh my god, shut up, bro.
2 hours later.
Okay, it's friggin' dark now, but here we are, pushing up. Got the bolt pushing through on the rotor, so we'll push it off. We're only doing this because these rotors are cooked without new ones anyway. Ooh! Fucking hell, mate.
Can you pass me the thing?
The blah, blah, blah. Okay, little update. It is pitch black outside, but we got the rotor off. We have the flux capacitor is also off. So now you can see my shaft. Oh no, my shaft fell out. Okay. Retard. Okay, now we got this bolt I've undone at the back is the handbrake. I don't know if it's gonna come off. Okay guys, I'm about to pull this shit off. I'm just a silly goose. Just had to pull all the bits off. And then guess what, bro? We're almost there, bro. Okay, guys. Harold got scared. Harold is still there. So now, The question is, what do I got to pull now to take it out? Take it out. I got everything off. Now what do I do now? Oh my gosh, golly gosh, do not redeem it. Okay. Alright boys, is this gonna be the moment? Is this gonna be my moment? The moment of destiny. A little bit fucking loopy, I think, from fucking doing this job. Is this the moment of destiny? Oh. It's off. It's off.
Nice.
Check that out, guys. Everything is done. Harold is still chilling. Boing, boing, boing. Oh shit. Boing. Oh man. I'm sore now. Well, guess what? You can use this now. You trying to get that pin out?
It's easy.
It's easy, he says.